Good morning, my name is Fere Jesus Vanegas Pedraza, and now I'm going to talk about my best friend. So, who's she? Her name is Angelica. She was born on July 3rd, 1998, and she is 24 years old. She has a sister who's younger than her, and now she is living with her husband and her daughter. So she is married. But she is also funny, friendly, and polite. In general, she is a very good person. How does she look like? She is a young woman. She has got a long curly black hair. She is plump and medium height. And finally, she wears a pair of glasses and has black eyes. I have known her for 9 years, but we have been friends for 5 years. I met her at school when I was in 5th grade, and she was in the next classroom. I went to her classroom because my teacher told me to give something to the other teacher, and then we started talking. What does she like? She loves sports, so she likes to play football and ride her bike. She likes to visit tourist places. For example, the last year she visited the Rock of Guatapé, and she likes to spend time with her family, going to the creeks to enjoy nature. Her favorite food is pizza, and her favorite color is light green. She doesn't have many dislikes, but she doesn't like greasy food. For example, she hates hamburgers and french fries, and she can't stand tardiness. When she was young, she couldn't swim very well, but she could solve any math problem, and she could play the flute when she was 10 years old. So she was a very good student at school. Now, as an adult, she's studying to be an engineer, and she also has her own business, which is a beauty salon, where she can make haircuts and decorate nails too. She works with her mother in a sewing workshop where she can make, design, and sew clothes. And that's all I can say about my best friend. So thanks for watching.